Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics from basic. Start by building a strong math foundation, including algebra and trigonometry. Then, dive into classical mechanics, which covers motion, forces, and energy. Focus on understanding core principles like Newton's 3 laws. Practice problem-solving consistently to solidify your grasp of these essential concepts. This initial phase is crucial for all future physics studies. Once you have a solid grasp of mechanics, move on to thermodynamics, which explores heat and energy. Next, delve into electricity and magnetism, understanding how charges interact and create fields. You'll also study wave phenomena, including the properties of sound and light. These areas introduce new mathematical tools and require careful attention to conceptual understanding. Regular practice with diverse problems is key. As you progress, explore modern physics topics like special relativity and the basics of quantum mechanics. These areas introduce fascinating and often counterintuitive ideas. Focus on developing robust problem-solving strategies, breaking down complex problems into manageable steps. Don't hesitate to use a variety of resources, including textbooks, online lectures, and practice problems, to deepen your understanding and apply what you've learned. To truly master physics, consistent review and practice are essential. Regularly revisit fundamental concepts to ensure they remain clear. Consider forming study groups to discuss challenging problems and gain new perspectives. Applying physics principles to real-world examples can make the subject more engaging and help solidify your knowledge. Remember, physics is a journey of continuous discovery and learning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.